GM everyone, welcome back to another market update. Let's get into it. First of all, BTC. Last night I had a long trade in Bitcoin that I updated inside my investing analysis also. And I booked that specific trade in almost zero point 0.2 hour profit because the initial reaction that I wanted to see was not something that I got. I wanted a deeper flush on $74,000, which should be bought immediately, but on lower time frames, it was holding below the specific level, which was a bearish sign for me. So that's why I booked this specific trade in almost zero point 0.2 hour profit, which is completely fine. As far things for the very short term is concerned, you can see we have clusters of liquidations above current price till $76,000. So keep it very simple. I do expect price to take out these liquidations first and then take out these one, because if you see the daily candle of BTC, it has printed some sort of two equal lows, where I do expect market manipulators to take out the liquidity below the specific low and then continue higher, right? So as far the same data, if you see on the value data, I had printed this specific chart. You can expect BTC to have some sort of mean reversion setups below $76,000 and above, to be very specific, 73.8, right? But if price breaks and holds above $76,000, that's a long trade criteria for me. I'll be trading this trade inside my Twitter and Discord, so make sure to go and follow me there, right? So as far price is below $76,000, it's holding below this specific level. You can expect mean reversion sort of setups in this specific area before it finally breaks out towards $80,000. As far things for the BTC in the medium term is concerned, you can see we have another premium to shorts lowest level since 2020, which is generally a bullish sign for me. And as far the derivatives quadrant model is concerned, it's coming inside the deleveraging sell-off, which simply means the FOMO longs above $76,000 are forced to close their specific positions. And the evidence you can see on Velo data, the remaining position is purely from the shorts. And not only this, but we got almost 10 days of consecutive negative fundings right here. And if you compare this data with your Bitcoin bottoms in 2023 as well 2021, we had such sort of consecutive negative fundings, which is completely bullish for me. Further, Coin Analyze confirms this our bias. We have consecutive almost 10 days of negative fundings right now, which means if it ranges inside this area for few more days to build print some more negative fundings and then finally breaks out of this area, fucks everybody, all those bears, with a god green candle, right? So as far we do trade the path, not the direction. Whatever wherever BTC goes, it does not matter because we have to trade a portion of that specific piece of shit, right? So again, if you see the evidence on liquidation clusters, we have some liquidation clusters for your altcoins as well, which are printing above the current price, which generally means the sentiments in the market are very, very bearish. They are shorting everything, right? So which makes me more bullish in the very midterm, but you lower your fucking expectations for the very short term, because you can see lots of manipulation, something like this to fuck as much retail traders as possible before it finally grinds up towards that breakout $80,000, right? Also, it's a quick lesson for you. Do not trade the new coins. Do not buy something because it's printing higher highs and higher lows. Do not buy something because just your retail guru is buying that. This will be the result, right? And also, we do have some massive results in history also, like XPL, AI, Luna, right? Again, for BTC, we had discussed everything. As far your dollar is concerned, we have the weekly range. This is the weekly mean reversion setups, and it is currently towards its weekly range low, right? So 97, 96.8 would be the area where you should book out your profits from your longs or from your other financial markets, right? So everything in the medium term looks very good for me. I am allocated almost 100% of my portfolio right now and actively managing it, because if there is something which is concerning, my systems will detect them and I will be immediately into cash, right? So I guess that's enough for today. Had a detailed discussion about it. Thanks for watching.